performer of the 2013 ice fishing season, Ice Cabin's Moose Hut. Okay guys, it's got the party hut out. Let's check it out. Not ready yet, but I'll show you what's going on here. 2 rooms, okay? This is your entertainment area right here where you're gonna cook. There's where you're gonna fish. You can either sleep in this too. 4 bunks. But anyway, party hut dudes. For you and your buddies. Remember, if you want to rent this baby, you have to invite me. Okay? That's how it works. So I get to eat all your food. Just kidding, guys. Anyway, party hut, ice at icecabins.com. Book it now. Presenting the executive, okay? The newest hut for icecabins.com. All right, guys? 4-man day hut, 2-man sleeper. Check this out. Comes complete. 2 waterproof bunks. As a matter of fact, this one pulls out, extends out to here, right? So anyway, propane light, DC light, propane furnace, 2 propane cooking stoves, and check this out, guys. Bring a chicken, cook that while you're fishing in these huge troughs here, guys. Okay? Don't forget, we got a full set of pots and pans for you. Alright? Cooking oil, no extra charge. Anyway, newest sleeper for the 2012 ice fishing season. Book it now. Ice at icecabins.com. Just ask for the executive package. Okay guys, I'm going to talk to you real soon. Don't forget 4 tip-ups. Later. Presenting Ice Cabin's newest 4-man sleeper, the Icebox. Let's go have a look at it. Brand new, ready to go. Full kitchen. I'm going to supply some pots and pans. Got your cooking stove. 2 rooms. Back room consists of 4 bunks. Still got to pat them yet, but they're ready to go. Still minor adjustments to make, but here's the concept. You got a huge trough in the middle, okay? This area here, you got a fold down table that folds right down. But other than this, we're going to supply some sort of seating. Not 100% sure yet, but it's very important. Because if you want to stay here the weekend, you want to be very comfortable as far as your seating. But anyway, here it is, Icebox, the newest creation from icecabins.com, now taking your bookings.